Welcome to your Strike Go Ring setup. You're just moments away from connecting your Ring and unlocking a seamless payment experience. Here's what you need before getting started. Before you begin, make sure you have your Strike Go Ring ready. If you haven't purchased one yet, you can visit strikego.com. You'll also need the Strike Go app, available on the App Store for iPhone and Google Play for Android. For the smoothest setup, remove your phone case and keep both your phone and Ring steady while pairing. This helps maintain a stable NFC connection throughout the process. The NFC area varies by device. On iPhone, it's typically located on the back near the top left. On Android devices, the position may differ depending on the model. Once everything is in place, you're ready to begin.
First, prepare your Strike Go Ring. Then open the Strike Go app and select Wearables. Tap Set up Strike Go, Proceed, and place your phone near the Strike Go Ring. Once your Strike Go Ring has been added, you can tap Finish Setting Up Now to continue. Tap Proceed, then tap Proceed again, then hold your phone near the Strike Go Ring to scan it. Make sure you're using the correct email address. Then tap Next. Enter your card details. Once done, tap Next. Agree to terms and service. Then place your Strike Go Ring near your phone again. Wait for the process to complete. It can take a few moments. Just be patient and keep holding the wearable steady against the NFC point. The activation process varies depending on your bank. Some banks require an SMS code, while others may ask you to open your banking app and verify the activation. Enter the activation code, then tap Next. Once done, you should be able to see your Strike Go Ring information. You are now ready to use it for payments.